Hi, friends. It's Mrs. McCarver, and it's time for today's writing lesson. Do you see these pictures next to me? Over here? Do they look familiar? They should, because we use them to help us write a whole book this week, about a small moment. So let's go through and review all these steps, because you are probably at a place where you're ready to start a new book. So these are the steps you're going to follow again. Get your fingers ready and help me. All right, what's step one? Do you remember? First, we're going to think about a small moment, probably one from our bubble map, and then we're going to draw the pictures because we're going to plan. We're going to think about that small moment and decide what happened in the beginning, the middle, and the end, and then draw those pictures. Step one, plan. All right, what's step two? Label. Remember, we wrote little words by parts of our pictures that are important. Okay? Step two is label. All right, we're up to step three. What is she doing? That's right. Step three is to write. So once we figured out what our story was going to be about, we put the pictures on each page, then we labeled the important details. Now we're using those labels to write our sentences. Okay, here she is again. Why is she there again? Step four, write more. You might find a place where you made a mistake. You might find a place that's confusing or doesn't make sense. You might find a place where you have a lot to say. So here are our 4 steps: plan, label, write some more. You might also be able to go back and add more details to your picture. So today, you have a choice. You can use your writing time to finish the story you've been working on. I feel like I might need to write a little more or work on my pictures. Or you might be ready to start a new small moment. So pick another one and get started with a new book. Now, you might not do all these steps today. Remember, we stretched this book out over 4 days. But you can get started with planning and labeling, and then we'll have something to work on next week as well.